Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for the weekend, July 4th and 5th, 2015, and happy Independence Day from all of us at Eastern PA Weather Authority. It's going to start off on a cloudy and showery day here to start off here for the 4th of July. We're going to have going to be really cutting it close in the afternoon with how long this lingers. And the models have been going really crazy the last couple of days with between having rain or no rain or very little rain or the different timings that they had throughout the day. This looks like it's going to end somewhere in the early afternoon hours, early to mid-afternoon hours, and then we're going to start to gradually improve. So if you had outdoor plans today, not looking that great, but as you get later in the, say after 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we should be dry for most areas, and we should start getting partial clearing and then get the fireworks in tonight. So here's a look at the global models here, and this is what it's showing for today. Just the showers that are moving across our coverage area here from southwest to northeast. Now, the global models are not very impressed with this at all. Latest name that just came in, this is looking at 6 a.m. on Saturday as a batch of rain coming across much of Pennsylvania here. It's going to be heading off to the east-northeast here and put this in motion. And you can see that precipitation moving through the area. This is now looking at noon. Precipitation is the steadiest. The precipitation is starting to come to an end from west to east in Pennsylvania. You got some stuff hanging back here across northeastern PA, and of course steady rain still continuing into northern New Jersey. Just spotty south of there. But then once you get into the early afternoon hours, the 12 to 3 time frame, this really starts to die off, and just a few isolated showers will remain during that time frame. And then after that point, we start to really dry out, and that's when we start expecting the partial clearing. Now, this is towards the end of the day, but at least you're going to have the evening festivities for the fireworks should go off without any problems. As a matter of fact, here's a look at the simulated radar for the time where the fireworks would go off around dusk. This is 9 o'clock, and you can see there's really nothing to speak of. So we are expecting this to improve for the fireworks, but just not very good during the majority of the day, at least 2/3 of the day. Not looking too good. So it looks like steadiest through about noon or so, maybe a little bit longer in New Jersey. And then we start to taper off between 12 and 3. 12 and 3 would be just isolated, starting to become more isolated, hit or miss at that point. And then after that 3, 4 o'clock time frame, we're expecting the showers to pretty much be done, and then we start to go into partial clearing for today. Going a little bit further here, we're going to go over to the back to the global models here and take it a little bit further from here. Conversely, Sunday is going to be spectacular. We're going to have high pressure that's going to be moving in and sitting right over our area here. So high pressure is anchored right over our coverage area here. This is going to keep it very dry. A partly to mostly sunny day here on Sunday, with temperatures are going to get up into the mid to upper 80s across our coverage area. So it should be a very warm day as well. Big difference from the temperatures we're expecting on Saturday. Saturday temperatures will be stuck in the 70s across most of the coverage area, just because of those clouds and the showers around. Going a little bit further from that, though, Monday looks to be about the same here. Call it partly cloudy here on Monday, but temperatures are still going to be very warm and getting close to the 90-degree mark, but not quite, down by Philadelphia here. And then that would be our warmest point. Elsewhere, still mid upper 80s here on Monday. And then we get into Tuesday. Might have a little bit of precipitation. They call this an isolated shower or thunderstorm across eastern Pennsylvania. This cold front is going to come in here later Wednesday, but out ahead of it, we might have some isolated activity to deal with here on Tuesday. Right now, not looking to be a really big deal. And when we get into Wednesday here's the showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. Now, right now, it doesn't look like a severe threat. We'll watch this just in case. Every time you have a lot of heating, you could get some linear storms coming through here. Well, it's a little bit too early to take a look at exactly what the specifics of that will be by the time we get to later on the day on Wednesday. It'll depend on timing of the front, how much instability is available, how much heat of the day occurs before the front comes, and things like that. So we'll examine that early next week. And then looks like after that we get to partly cloudy skies behind the front. High pressure is going to build in. We're going to get into a lower humidity day here for Thursday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martins, and that is your outlook for the weekend. July 4th and 5th, 2015. Have a happy Independence Day, everybody. Stay safe.